How to get custom alarm sound on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to get custom alarm sound on Android. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch your clock application on your Android phone. Then you can easily set alarm by going to the alarm tab. Suppose if I set alarm of 5:45 a.m., you can easily open it or select the plus icon at bottom center and then choose a particular time. Then you can easily adjust all the settings. Now select ringtone option and here you need to choose the custom section. You can choose from Spotify or from this device. So let's choose from this device by selecting on this device. Now you can select music or recordings and choose a particular custom song. And you have to simply select that particular song and when you come back, you will now successfully get custom alarm sound on Android. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.